Okay, today we are going to make a video of chapter of light. Okay, here question is like this. Today I have written question, and question is to prove f is equal to r by 2. Question first. Question second, 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f for concave mirror and for convex mirror as well as. And third question is 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f for convex lens and as well as for concave lens. You have to prove all these things. Let us start one by one. I have to prove here where f is focal length and r radius of curvature, u is object distance and v is image distance. Okay, try to understand one by one. I am giving you idea regarding this. Here in this chapter, once again I am repeating, this is for DAV students class 12 physics. Okay, here several things you have to keep in the mind: sign convention, as well as here in sign convention you have to choose origin. After that, where will you keep object and image, distance will be positive and negative. Okay, try to understand all the things which is given here. Here f is equal to r by 2, f is equal to r by 2, this is third number. 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Here, while I have to prove all these formula, you should keep f is equal to focal length, r is radius of curvature, u is object distance and v is image distance. Okay, try to understand one by one. I will discuss all these things. Okay, and first thing is to prove f is equal to r by 2. How do you prove this thing? Here I have made a figure of concave mirror. Here an object which is kept beyond center of curvature. As you know this thing, you should know this thing. A ray which passes from mirror anywhere, you are keeping an object and ray will passes from mirror, it will certainly passes from focus. Okay, this is focus, this is center of curvature. I have written this is optical center. Okay, this is O optical center. Here I have taken AB and CO. You should know this line is parallel to this line. Okay, AB is parallel to CO. Now here you should know this angle is incident angle. While you will study physics class 12, you should know about this thing. This is angle I, it means incident angle, and this will be reflective angle. Okay, what things? Incident angle and reflective angle. Here try to understand. I have written I. How will you get this I? Here I have written angle ABC is equal to angle BCF. Angle ABC is equal to BCF. What are the reasons? So that this angle will be equal to this angle. AB parallel CD. AB is parallel to CD, and this here you are seeing this is an intersecting line. So if AB parallel CD from alternate interior angle, you can say this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, no problem. Now next thing, angle ABC is equal to angle CBF from law of reflection. You should know this thing, law of reflection. First law is incident ray, reflective ray and normal all lies in the same plane. And second law is angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Here I have used this formula from laws of reflection. Angle ABC is equal to angle CBF. Now angle BCF is equal to CBF. Here you are observing left side is equal to, so certainly right side will be also. So BCF is equal to CBF. Now one more thing you should keep in mind. Here you are observing this angle I. In front of this angle I is a line BF. And in front of this angle R is a line CF. What things? If angles are equal, then certainly you know this thing, sides will be also equal. So what things I have written? CF is equal to FB. Since angles are equal, so sides will be equal. There will be no problem. And FB. FB here FB. FB is equal to FO. How? Suppose B is at O. Let us, sometime it may be possible that this ray is passing through this O. Then what will you get? Then CF is equal to FO. CO is equal to CF plus FO. Now what thing? CO. This CO is equal to CF plus FO. And you know focal length, FO is focal length. And FO, I have already proved this thing, CF is equal to FO. This means CF is also F. So CO is equal to CF plus FO, R is equal to F plus FO. The CO is what? This is radius of curvature, and you have to write radius of curvature R, F plus F. R is equal to 2F. So F is equal to R by 2. No problem. You can understand this thing. This is so simple. Here I have written for concave mirror. You have to prove formula 1 by V plus 1 by V, U is equal to 1 by F. 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. No problem. You may write 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. How do you get this thing? Here I have drawn a figure of concave mirror. You know this thing. AB is the object and B dash A dash is the image. In this case, you are observing object is kept beyond the center of curvature. Certainly image will form between center of curvature and focus. AB is object, B dash A dash is image. Here AE. AE is the object distance. And you should notate this thing in mind. Here you know X dash, Y dash. This side, in the X side, you will take positive sign, while in this side, what will you do? This will be negative sign. So here same thing will happen. This is origin. What things? You have to always keep this thing in mind. This is origin. Optical center is origin. Okay? This is origin. So certainly this side, what things are you observing? This side there is negative sign. There will be negative sign. A is equal to minus U, and this is also minus B. This is minus F. Here in triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C, angle ABC is equal to angle A dash B dash C, right angle. Angle ACB is equal to angle A dash CB dash, vertically opposite angle. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B dash. AB by A dash B dash, here you have to relation AB by A dash B, BC by B dash C, minus U minus 2F, minus 2F minus B, minus U plus 2, minus plus, minus 2F plus B, that is first. Similarly, you may write and you may write this thing. ED by A dash B dash, FD by FB dash is equal to minus half F minus B minus F. ED is equal to AB, A is parallel to BD. AB by A dash B dash minus F minus B plus F, that is 2. From first and second, you are observing that this left side is equal, so certainly right side will be equal. You have to equate these things, okay? Try to understand, you have to equate this thing. and cross multiplication. What will you do here? Cross multiplication. ub minus uf plus 2f square minus 2bf, 2f square minus bf. ub minus uf minus 2bp plus bf is equal to 0. 2f square cancel. ub minus uf minus bf is equal to 0. ub by ub f minus uf ub bf minus bf ub bf is equal to 0. Here you have to cancel ub uf and vf. You have to cancel these things. Okay, then what will you get? 1 by v minus 1 by v minus 1 by f minus 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 0. 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. What is this? This is a mirror formula, and I have obtained from concave mirror. Okay, try to understand all these things. Here one thing you have to note it. If this is optical center, in this case this will be the origin. Center will be the origin, and at that place you have to choose a Cartesian system. Okay, in x direction this will be positive, and in opposite that will be negative. You are adopting all these things, and then you are able to make formula. Okay, try to understand. And now next thing we want to discuss, and next thing is for convex mirror. Okay, in the next thing we want to discuss what things? We want to discuss mirror formula in case of convex mirror. Okay, try to understand one by one. I want to discuss. Okay, here I have drawn this figure for convex mirror. Here you are observing this is a convex mirror. I have drawn AB is the object, U is the distance. You should know this is origin, and if origin and an object which is kept at in the left side, then what will you get? This will be minus u, and after origin this is in the x direction, so certainly all things will be, distance will be positive. A dash b dash f, there is focus, center of curvature here, and do. Okay, vf 2f, this will be 2f. In triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C. Okay, what things? Triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C. Angle C is equal to angle C common. What thing? Angle C is equal to angle C. Here what will you take? Here try to understand. Here this figure you have to choose. This one triangle is this and another triangle is this. Okay, try to understand. C is coming in both triangle. Okay, in triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C, angle C is equal to C common. Angle CB dash A dash angle CBA right angle. Angle ABC similar to triangle A dash B dash C, because two angles are in here. Angle C is equal to angle C common, and angle CB dash A dash angle CBA right angle, two common angles. So triangle will be what thing? Triangle will be similar. So you may write AB by A dash B is equal to BC by B dash C minus U plus 2F minus B, that is first. Similarly triangle BDF and triangle A dash B dash F, DOF by A dash B dash DF by B dash F is equal to F by F minus B. DO is equal to AB since AD parallel BC. What things? These are parallels. So here you are observing in this figure, these are parallel to this, and AB by A dash B dash is equal to F by F minus B, that is second. From first and second, minus U plus 2F minus B is equal to F minus B. Minus U, cross multiplication. What will you do here? Cross multiply. Minus U plus 2F minus B into F. Multiply U into F, UF, UV minus plus 2F into F, 2F square, 2F into B minus 2F. 2F minus B into F, 2F square minus BF. Okay. Now here minus UF plus UV minus 2VF plus VF is equal to what? That is 0. And dividing by UF in all mirrors, and also lens, you have to divide by UF. Dividing by UVF. Here UV by UVF minus UVF by UVF is equal to 0. Then what will you get? 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. This thing you have to prove. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Now in case of convex lens. In case of convex lens, here I have drawn this figure. You may draw. AD is the object, BO here from optical center. Here this OB dash 2F, A dash V, U, F, and here V, F, F, and here this is U. Okay, this is 2F. Okay. In triangle ABO and triangle A dash B dash D, angle ABO is equal to angle A dash B dash. What are the regions? Right angle. AOB, angle A dash OB dash, vertical opposite angle. Here vertical due to this angle is equal to this angle, and also here this angle is equal to this angle. AB by A dash B dash, BO by B dash O minus U by V, that is first. Similarly in triangle A dash B dash F and triangle BOF, DO by A dash B dash, DF by F B dash, F by V minus F. DO is equal to AB, AD parallel BV. AB by A dash B dash, always you have to choose F by V minus F, that is second. From first and second, minus UV plus B, UF is equal to VF. Minus U by V, F by V minus F, minus UV by UVF plus UV, F by UVF minus UF by UVF is equal to 0. Dividing by UVF, you have to divide. Minus F plus 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 0. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Okay, this thing is also known as lens maker formula. Okay, for convex lens. And another thing is also, and that thing is for concave lens. What things? For concave lens, I have drawn this figure. Here AD and AB, 2F and F. Also you should know B dash E and D, O, D, A dash B dash F. This is F. Ray diagram like this. Object image. In triangle AB and triangle A dash B dash E, angle E is equal to angle E common. Angle ABE is equal to angle A dash B dash E, right angle. AB by A dash B dash is equal to B by B dash E is equal to minus U by minus B, that is first. Similarly in triangle FDE and triangle FA B dash, D by A dash B dash is equal to FE by FB dash is equal to minus F by minus F minus B. D is equal to AB parallel BE. AB by A dash B dash is equal to minus F by minus F plus B, that is second. Minus U minus by minus B. This side from first, minus U by minus B and minus F by minus F. Here you have to write from first and second. Now next thing, UF minus UV is equal to VF. UF by UVF minus UV by UVF minus VF by minus UF is equal to 0. Dividing by UVF both sides. Okay. Then what will you get? 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Lens maker formula for in case of concave lens. Okay, try to understand all things. In case of any problem, you may contact directly. It is given in the link. My phone number is given in the link. And I hope you like all these videos. And also subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj on YouTube. My channel name is SK Singh Bikramganj. Okay. And thank you. Have a nice day.